Hello and welcome to Genesis classes. This is Siddhant Chaudhary and today I am going to give you 5 easy steps that will improve your spoken English. So let's begin. Before I talk about those 5 steps, it is really important that you want to improve your English speaking skills, because wanting something is really the first basic component for achieving something. Now, keeping that in mind, let's go look at the first step: get a dictionary. Now, we all know what a dictionary is. It's just a combination of words and their meanings translated from one language to another, and basically what you need is an English to Hindi dictionary. You don't need to spend a lot of money on it, and you can find it at a stationery shop anywhere around you. And buying a dictionary would be important for our second step, which is practicing. Now, I really believe in one thing, and that is, if you want to become better at something, then you have to enjoy it. And if I ask you what are you good at, then you might say you're good at games, you might say you're good at sports, singing, dancing, or studies. And why are you good at it? Because you enjoy doing it. And practicing English should also be enjoyable, should be fun. And to make it fun, you can do certain things. For example, you can watch cartoons in English. Cartoons are basically made for understanding of children, so simple English is used in that. Or you can watch English YouTube channels. You can watch Netflix, English shows on Netflix. And one of my favorites is you can listen to English commentary, specifically Indians talking in English. For example, Rahul Dravid, Harsha Bhogle. This will give you a much better understanding of how they are speaking and how you are perceiving the language. And for those who enjoy reading much more than watching or audio visuals, they can read NCERT booklets or NCERT course books for 9th or 10th classes. That is used, their English, simple English is used in that. And they can use short stories that they're basically interested in. Use these methods daily for minimum 15 minutes or maximum for a couple of hours, and this could be your introduction to English language in a simple and fun manner. Now, let's move towards our step number 3, which is sentence construction. When you are initially learning your verbal language, you don't need to have large vocabulary or you don't need to have fancy English words, but what you need to do is prepare proper English sentences. And you can do that by paying close attention to the video or the book that you have and try to compare how they are making sentences and how you would make an English sentence. Doing this would eradicate most of the errors or most of the mistakes that you would make while you are preparing your own English sentences, and this could help you to gain a lot of confidence when you are in real life situations and when you are trying to create real life sentences. Now, let's move on to the fourth step, which is don't be shy and forget your ego. Now, while learning a new language, the most common and the biggest problem that is faced by everyone is the fear of speaking in front of people. They fear that if they try to speak English in front of other people, then they will be mocked or they will be made fun of or they will be insulted. But this is the least thing that you should be worried about. If people are pointing out your mistakes and if they are trying to criticize you, then these are the things that you will remember for a long time, and this will be helping you for future and preparing you confidence wise, so that will increase your belief in your own verbal English speaking skills. Now let's move to our fifth step. Don't take too much pressure. English is an important language, but it does not testify to your intelligence. If you are not able to speak English, it does not make you less smarter than other people. So just don't put a lot of pressure on yourself and just try to follow the fun and imaginative ways to learn to speak this language. In the end, if you like the video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon beside it so that you can get the updates as soon as the videos are uploaded on the channel. Have a good day.